Hello everyone, it's me, Matthew, and today I'm going to show you one of the things we do in our class all year, and that is we have a Google site. So each class has their own Google site. So as you can see on the screen, this says has a year, 2019, and then it has the class name 208, which is the class number, and they call themselves the Sideways Eights. And for another one is class 212, all right? And this one, they did it wrong, but they're class 206. But they have their page and some picture and each group. So you're gonna be in groups, okay? You're gonna be in the same group all year. And the reason we do that is because there's a lot of students and it makes it easier, and also we create a group for the page. So as you can see, it says group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6, group 7. This was an example group. And all these groups are the same as their class group, okay? So they make their own page. And if you select on that page, you can see that we put the projects on the site, all right? So you see project 1, project 2, project 3, and you can select and you can see the project, okay? So each project has an introductory, it tells about the project, what they're doing, and then for our first project, we did have a plan to make a poster, but because of things, the situation we are now in, it probably is going to change. But anyways, so they made a poster and they have their numbers and their names, names. This should be in English, but I don't get too upset about that. And you could always go back. You can see project 2, let's see it open. This is a short introduction, it should be longer. And this is the second project, it's a slang project, and there's their script. They put pictures up on there. We'll definitely do that. And then project 3, which is a big project at the end of the year. It's a big video. They have their introduction and they have their names. See, now they do it in English because I kept telling them to. And it has so the name's in English, and it has a description, or this is their script actually, and you can always play it and people can see what you did. All right, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. So I've already started to create your group sites. So you can see 220, class 201, 202, 203. This is just a basic thing, and you can change the name if you want. So what I wanted to do today is I want to show you how to create a page in the site, or okay, group page, all right? So what we're going to do is I'm not going to touch yours. I'm going to go to my example page. This is the Opine Times, right? So I want to create a page, but first of all, you have to get access. So what you're going to do is on Chrome or on Firefox or whatever browser you have, sometimes Naver doesn't work. You type Google Sites and you press enter. You have to be signed into Google to do this, all right? Then you select Google Sites sign in. I'm already signed in, so it doesn't matter. You'll get this screen. This screen, people are confused. What's this? So what you have to do is you have to go down to here. It says back to classic sites. In Korean it says Kibun Sites, I think. You select this. Once you select this, another page will open up and it will show you your site if you are in the site, okay? I'm going to add your emails into the site. You have to use your school Gmail, okay? I have many, okay, because I am managing so many classes, but you should have one, unless you did this before, all right? And then you select onto your site and you'll get to your site. So where was I? I was on Opine Times. So what you do is this. You'll see this. It will be empty probably. You want to create a page. So you go to here, plus, create page. Okay? You click that. Okay, it'll say this. And then you give your group number, like for example, group 3, and give your group a name. You want a name to represent your group. I don't know. I'm just gonna do a random name, Master Dragons, something like that. Okay, and then you scroll down to make sure everything's okay. Make sure this is selected, and you press create. All right, creating page, and you just wait. Shouldn't be too long. All right, and then this is all we're doing. Okay. Actually, I would like you to insert a picture or something in there. You can, but right now, let's just do this for the time being. And you press save. And that's it. It's very easy. So now we have group 3, Master Dragons, and there's also Dragon Kings, okay? And that's it. So if you have any questions, please ask. But also, there are resources. So you can go to Matthew's EFL class. I made a Google site for the class. This is overall so we can see what's going on. And I have other years on here so you can see what they did before. I suggest that you check out 2019 to get some ideas of what we probably will do in this class. Things are different because of the coronavirus, but what can I do? All right. So, but also I have lessons that we should do in this year, all in here, okay? You have your book, and I have instructions and stuff like that. Besides that, also, now that we have a classroom for, because of the virus, we also have English C second year. Here, I share stuff to you, I share it to all the students, okay? If I need to talk to a class directly, I'll just send it to your class directly. But here you can see that you can have questions and posts, and like a student right here today asked me this question: do we have to make a Google site before the class? And I said I made them before. And you always check here, okay? So that's it, and if you have any questions, please ask me, and I hope you have a good time, all right? Great, bye.